Alright, what's going on YouTube? It is Alex from Techrific back again with another video, and today we are going to be checking out the Tagry X08 True Wireless Earbuds that Tagry was super nice to send out to us to make a quick little short unboxing and review. Now, my friend Eric at Tech Realism in fact made a video on these very specific earbuds, and from his own perspective and from the video that I have seen that's linked down below, they seem to be pretty interesting, pretty nice. So I cannot wait to share my honest opinion, and without any further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. Alright, so here they are, very beautiful box. We have the Tagry branding at the top right with the model number X08. At the bottom we have True Wireless Earbuds, and then on the front we have a little photo that kind of shows what the earbuds look like. Now if we flip the box over to its right, you can see that it has a built-in mic. It has smart touch control, which basically allows you to control your voice assistant. You could be controlling volume, sound, and you could be controlling the skip forward, skip backward, just so that you're able to, use your Spotify, control it, or Apple Music hands-free just by the touch of your ear without having to pull out your phone, which is super handy. And they are also IPX5 waterproof, which is super useful if you're out, in the rain and it's kind of sprinkling a little bit, or maybe you're doing a very high intense workout and you're sweating and you're worried that your earbuds are gonna malfunction. Well, you don't have to worry because Tagry inputted IPX5 waterproof feature on these earbuds. Now on the back of the box itself, you can see that it has a transmission range of 33 feet. Now that is if there is no obstacles between the device that is transmitting the Bluetooth signal to your earbuds. It has that waterproof level of IPX5 just as we talked about. Now it has a music playtime of about 6 hours on full charge, which is pretty decent. Now it does support iOS, Android, Windows, tablet, and smartphones. So basically whatever is Bluetooth enabled, you can connect, and it has a standby time of 60 hours. Now Tagry sent us the black version, as you guys can see, and I'm super excited to check it out. Now the earbuds are also available in purple and in pink, so those are some other options. And if you guys would like to see them in purple or in pink, make sure to let us know in the comment section down below and tag Tagry so that they know that you guys would like to see some videos of the purple and the pink variations. And now if we flip the earbuds to its left side, they surprisingly are able to charge wirelessly, which is pretty impressive. They also have an LED power display, which is seen right over here. That helps you tell what the battery levels are for each earbud as well as the charging case, and it has that portable charging case. So we got our trusty little scissors right over here. We're gonna open those up and just try to poke this little packaging just like so. Beautiful. And then remove this plastic wrapper. Set that aside and slide it right out. Beautiful. So straight out of the box, you can see a very beautiful unboxing experience. Nice and easy, slides right out. And then you have this little pull tab over here where it says open. Now you're greeted with the True Wireless Earbud branding. Have this little styrofoam or foam protector for the earbuds. And what we are most excited about, the earbuds itself. So they come in this little plastic packaging, as you guys can see, and then you have this little strip right over here, and then you could pull that and there you go. Those are the earbuds itself. There's another strip right in front, right over here on the LED power display, just so that you could protect the display itself from any scratches, and we could take that right off as well, just like so. And then another one at the back. Beautiful. And here we have it. Let's just clear the table. We have the Tagry X08 wireless earbuds. So straight out of the box, it feels pretty lightweight and premium, which is very nice because you're able to carry them around, whether that's in a backpack, your pocket, very, very lightweight. Compared to the AirPods that I have right over here, the Tagrys actually feel, you know, more lightweight, and they feel also slightly solid. Like the little hinge over here that opens up, the AirPod one kind of shakes around, but this one feels a lot more solid and locked in, which is pretty good to see. Now, black comes in black, very simple, very good looking. Let's just pop these right over here, and right when we pop them, you can see that it has that LED power display that shows up. Now we can see that it is at 100%. And then right over here, we have the right earbud. Very nice to see that they did implement the right letter and then the left letter to indicate which one is which. And then you kind of have that two-tone looking display. So you have that kind of gray silverish look, and then you have the black on the inner part of the earbuds. Now I got my AirPods Pro 2, which is the ones that I normally use. We're just gonna set that aside, and we're gonna do a little size comparison. You can see that they are slightly bigger, the Tagrys, just because it has a longer stem, which can be very helpful for the people that have a deeper groove in the ears because they can properly fit them in. So we're just gonna do a little size test, see if they fit good in my ears. So I got the right one right over here that we're gonna put right in. We're gonna zoom that in so you guys can see how it looks. And then we got the one on the left right over there. And you guys can see there is the left one. So it looks pretty good. And overall, straight out of the box, they seem to fit really good, which is pretty impressive. Shaking my head, and you know, they're not going out. They're not moving, which I'm pretty impressed about. Now, I know I'm just sitting down, so we're gonna do a full test tomorrow when I go to the gym. Now, when you open, you can see that it has that display, and on the bottom, they charge via USB-C. So inside the box right over here, we have another little packaging, and inside this packaging, if we pop that right out, you guys can see that we have, I believe, extra ear tips, which is pretty useful just in case you have bigger or smaller ears. And then you have the USB Type-C, which is pretty great to see. See what I did there? Now, thankfully, Tagry gave us USB Type-C. Matter of fact, the Skull Candies, the video that I made right up here, actually did not come with Type-C. They came with micro USB. So big shout out to Tagry for giving us Type-C because we are in 2024 and they fit straight in just like so. And as you guys can see, we have the charging indicators. So it shows that the right one is charging and it shows that the left one is charging, and the case is at 100%, which number one is pretty good. You can see that the case does hold its battery life pretty decently, considering that, you know, they were shipped, they were stored in the factory, and they are still at 100%. Now, their earbuds itself, super useful to see how, you know, they have that little charging indicator, which helps you to see how much charge they have. So overall, super simple yet straightforward unboxing experience. Works really good. Again, the case, lightweight, easy to carry around, looks all nice. I really love the LED charging indicators right in front because sometimes you don't want to, you know, pop the case open and have the battery charge pop onto your phone. It could be a lot more convenient to just look at the earbuds itself and see, hey, they're at 99%, they're at 100%, as well as seeing what each individual earbud is at. That was my unboxing. That was my first impressions. Let's go into the real world and see how these hold up.
Alright YouTube, so as you guys can see, we are currently inside the field house. We were supposed to be inside the gym because we want to test them out playing basketball, but unfortunately a school has the gym booked for the whole entire day, which sucks, but it's fine. We got soccer ball right over here, a soccer ball. We got the Tagrys right over here, which means that we're gonna test them out playing soccer. We're gonna see how they sound, how they fit inside the ears despite the huge, you know, movement, as well as how they fit and how they work if they continue functioning despite the sweat, because they are IPX5 waterproof. So we're gonna also test out the microphone on here. You guys are gonna hear me at a certain part throughout this little montage with the microphone off of the Tagrys. So can't wait to film this video. Let's get it going.
Our days are numbered, our days never last. Time's running by and all I do is thinking about the past. All things will change, new lovers will come. The sun will rise in the morning dawn. But all I wanted is a little love, is a little love, is a little love. All I wanted is a little love, is a little love, is a little love with you. Is a little love with you. Is a little love with you.
Alright YouTube, so my use with the Tagrys so far has been absolutely insane. I was playing some Fahjah, Little Love, the link is down in the description of his brand new tracks, and honestly the sound quality is absolutely insane. I'm more than impressed by how these things work. They stick in my ears despite the fact that I'm already sweating. They haven't moved. As I mentioned in the unboxing in the previous segment, the ear tips that came with these earbuds worked perfectly fine, and they stick in my ears. The sound quality is absolutely amazing, and it's doing everything that I needed to do. The touch control is also super great because I could easily play and pause my music or adjust the volume just by a little tap, which is awesome. So far, great recommendation if you're in the market for some, you know, cheaper earbuds, and yet they're still amazing. I'm honestly blown away by how the sound quality is, and I didn't even blast the volume. I'm nervous to see what would happen if I blast the volume, because already they sound crazy, they sound insane. Compared to my AirPods Pro 2 that I have in my bag down there, these sound pretty good. They sound pretty crisp, pretty clear. So if you're in the market for some earbuds under $50 that are wireless and that are waterproof, I highly recommend the Tagrys. A link is going to be down in the description. Now there is one more thing that we need to test out, which is the microphone quality. So let's run a few more drills and we're going to see what we think about the microphone quality.
Alright guys, can you hear me? Right now the microphone is coming out of the Tagrys. So, little shot. How does that sound? Can you guys hear the soccer ball hitting the net? Little left leg. Pretty impressed. Thank you so much for joining. These were the Tagrys. They sound amazing. I love them. They were good when we're playing soccer and different sports. So if you guys would like to see a little overview on the Tagrys, make sure to go check out my TikTok, my Instagram, and my YouTube shorts, where I give you guys a quick little rundown. Anyways, big shout out to Tagry for sending us these, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by.